Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. If you're looking for a solution to convert a PDF file to a Word document or other formats, Lightpdf is a great option to consider. This online tool can convert multiple files at once, making it an efficient tool for users who frequently need to convert and edit PDF files. Lightpdf is a free, all-in-one solution for converting and editing PDF files. Lightpdf main features: read and edit PDFs, watermark a PDF file, unlock PDFs, convert a PDF to / from another image or file format, extract text from PDFs. To download this tool, you click on the link given in the description. One of the key benefits of Lightpdf is that it's an online tool, so you don't have to download any additional software to your computer. Instead, you can simply access the tool from your browser. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.